everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about screening tests and how we decide if the screening test is a good test or not a good test, and the things we can learn from screening tests. So first of all, let's do several things. Here's a table that has two main categories: screening test and gold standard. Okay, so first of all, what are screening tests? Screening tests are very cheap, and we do it to a large population, and they are better. They make better our health services because they make us take regularly healthy people that has the condition and don't know that they have this condition, and we take them and we do like early discovery of the disease by doing the screening tests. And the people that come out positive in the screening test are taking to another exam that is a gold standard exam, and the goal of the gold standard exam is that it determines whether the person is sick or healthy, like a biopsy. So I can like say, okay, let's say like a pancreas disease. So first of all, I take blood test, and from the people that came up positive for this enzyme or something like that, or urine test, or doesn't matter. This is the screening test. Only the positive one, I take them to the to do the gold standard. So why don't I do gold standard to all the people? Because sometimes it's not very nice. Like a biopsy of pancreas is not that nice. Sometimes it's expensive, and other times, like if a person is, if we have like a good blood test to determine those things, why should we make our patients go through suffering if we have like a better means to do so, and to prevent them to do so. So here in the screening test, so P plus means the people that came out positive in the screening test, and we have like, say, they have problem in some organ in their body, doesn't matter what. T minus is the people that came out negative. Okay, and then we took all those people and we did a gold standard. The gold standard, and there are people that are positive and there are people that are negative. I use variables, but of course any number here is fit, and if you have questions in exams or something like that about that, you can of course answer it. So there are 6 values I can take from this table: sensitivity, specificity, false negative, false positive, positive predicting value, negative predicting value. And this is their formulas that you can take in coffee if you don't want to hear me explaining what is each and every one of them. Okay, so what is sensitivity? Sensitivity means the number of people that the screening test detected as positive that they are actually sick from the entire gold standard people that they are sick. It means A divided by A plus C. Specificity means healthy people that I determined in the screening test from the entire people that are negative in the gold standard, means D divided in B plus D. False negative means people that I falsely said that they are negative but they are actually sick. It means C people. The C people, I said they are negative in the screening test, but actually they are positive according to the gold standard. And C, I divided in the entire people that are sick. It means C divided by A plus C. False positive is a very good thing, I think, for patients. It's better to be false positive. It means I detected them as positive in the screening test, but actually in the gold standard they are negative. So it's B. And I divided them in the people that are negative. So B divided by B plus D. And here are 5 and 6. 5 is positive predicting value. Positive predicting value, it means the number of people that I detected in the screening tests as positive from, and they are actually positive by the gold standard, divided in the number of people I detected as in the screening test as positive. It means A divided by A plus B. Negative predicting value, it means the number of people I detected as negative in the screening test. Okay? From the amount of people that are and they are actually negative by the gold standard. Okay, it means D, divided by the number of people that are negative by the screening tests. Okay, so D divided by C plus D. Of course, I can explain a lot about the difference in sensitivity and specificity, and a lot of, and do like questions with you. So if you have questions about it, because it was a territorial that was theoretically speaking, if you have questions, of course I'll be happy to answer them. You can prescribe down, and you can write comment, and even if you don't want to subscribe and ask me a question, of course I will answer. You can like it or not. I hope you like it. Have a nice day. Good luck in your school, and may everything be in your favor. Goodbye.